Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor for me to be able to thank the Automotive Hall of Fame on behalf of Taiichi Ohno. As the father of the groundbreaking Toyota production system, Taiichi Ohno was both a pioneer in our industry and one of the most important figures in the story of Toyota. Ohno-san began his career in 1932 at the Toyota Automotive Room Company and eventually went to work for my grandfather Kiichiro, the founder of the Toyota Automobile Company. My grandfather had been developing the concept of just-in-time production, but it was Ohno-san who systematically brought it to life. His method of making parts on demand, or only as needed by the assembly line, was not just innovative. It increased Toyota's productivity by 400% in just 10 years. In fact, so successful was this program that in 1973, at the height of the gas crisis, the government of Japan sent investigators to our factories to determine why we were still able to make a profit while others were not. They discovered that the secret of our success truly was our lean manufacturing approach, and it was then that the Toyota production system became universally admired. Ohno-san defined TPS as the elimination of three things: muri, mura, and muda, which means overburden, inconsistency, and waste. He was relentless in his determination to execute this vision, and employees found him both inspiring and intimidating, and quite impatient with those unwilling to change. Personally, I can totally relate. Ohno-san also often gave team members a task with no instruction. He wanted them to figure it out using their own creativity and ability to think for themselves. Today, the Toyota production system has been freely shared with other manufacturers, including those in our own industry, and applied in all aspects of businesses, not just manufacturing. In honor of Ohno-san, we also create a special division called the Toyota Production Systems Support Center to help organizations such as hospitals, food banks, and even COVID testing sites to become more efficient through the application of TPS. So I think it's fair to say that Ohno-san not only changed the course of history of Toyota, his impact on the rest of the world cannot be underestimated. For Taiichi Ohno, there was no challenge too great, and he welcomed problems and with open arms. In fact, he used to say, having no problem is the biggest problem of all. Something I try to remember every day. Now, at this point, Ohno-san would probably say my remark could be shorter and more efficient. So, on his behalf, let me simply end with the most grateful ありがとうございます。